Hi guys, this is Creek.2 here, and this is the being Crucial Tycoon, and this is my chef right now. I've been working on this, so, and I've been working on this game for about a week or two now, I think I like this boat so far. And of course, if you see a type of green bow, it's just like my friends in the game. And this boat's green. There's a shade of purple on it. And if you see that boat, just to let you know it's my friend. And actually, I'm just gonna go to his, which is right here. If you want, you can follow him on Roblox if you want. And of course, here's my friends. And of course, he's like right here. But he's invisible. Since I have two tablets. But yeah. Anyways, here's his ship though. No, I don't judge with any coloring, so yeah. But here's the drinks stands. And you can walk in and out of this little door thing. And you can walk through here, out here. And then you can walk in here, and here's the captain's cabin. Then yeah. And here is the crew cabin, so we got one crew member in here. Then we got the cabin, okay. The navigator actually. The captain's in the sleeping bed. But then go back in through here. Then that's that room. Then we got a public bathroom here. Like 4 bathrooms. I don't know why I'm in here. But the next floor has a movie theater right here. A place for food, which I think it's Sam's Burgers or something. I don't know what it is. I already forgot. But pretty much that. It's just empty with tables. Then then downstairs is just 6 like rooms for the guests to sleep in. Then down here is what is the ship needs and everything. So storage rooms, same thing. The fuel tanks, then the generators. Then if I go back up to all the way up to the roof, basically it's just all the way up. So if I go to the top one, you won't really see, but there's my friends right there. So he's actually here. Then I'm gonna go to my ship now, back to mine. Then here we are at my ship. What stock it looks like. But then again, here we go. And I'm manually pulling it backwards. supposed to be turning the other way, so I can go that way. And you know, if I go to manage again and hit autopilot, it's just gonna do it automatically. But you know, as you can see, the ship has means underneath the map here on the top right. And of course, I gotta fix that room over here. I'm probably just gonna get the next ship and get rid of the ships, and you know, you get money out of this, and plus you guys will probably be like, oh yeah, why are you gonna do that? But you know, I only like one ship only, usually. So you know, I don't really keep anything unless it's necessary, for the most part. And of course, I think the ship's stuck again. So I'm gonna hit drive ship, then it's gonna do the same thing. I have to do it this sometimes, but not every day. Of course, this is the beginning, where all people spawn right here. If you're wondering what this is, this is where I first spawned with my old ship, which is my friend's ship. You know, he just started. Yeah, but anyway. Yeah, you know, it's gonna be back to normal. But like I was saying, like, you know, you can just people who are just normal people can just come in here and like check out this whole room. And you know, oh yeah, I forgot to mention too, like, as soon as people come out of this room, then they're basically like going straight into a wall. That's why this area is very packed. That's why I'm gonna get the next ship and get rid of this one. But you know, people need to upgrade their boats in this game too. So that's basically the whole point of this. Which, as you can tell, it's stuck right now. So I'm just gonna deactivate that and hit the rest. I don't really care that much about the money, but you know, it's just normal for me to just have a lot. But of course, this gives me money every so often, so that's this. But yeah, this ship does automatically do things once it's on autopilot, as you can see. And here's the reading. Of course, I might make this a series. For the, no, yeah, I think I'm gonna make this the next series on the channel, starting off when I have the next ship or something. If I don't make this a series, you guys probably gonna be asking, oh yeah, why don't you have more videos of this? Well, it's because, you know, I probably went through, oh yeah, I'm not gonna make this a series in my brain. But you know, my brain thinks the opposite of what I say. Usually. It's usually sometimes when it happens like that. But if it's for you guys, yeah. And like, you know, I'll think, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. Then I will possibly do it, so yeah. So let's just go to the next place, and I think I'm gonna end it off here. But you know, I don't like the videos to be too long for you guys to see. So yeah. Which, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you can actually go into the map, and you can see the whole path here. As you're probably wondering, oh yeah, what the heck is all this? What the heck is the white lines? It's the routes I'm taking. Plus, there's another, like, place here, which I'm gonna go to here on the next one. On the next ship, so wondering, oh yeah, wasn't this the place you showed us in Cruise Ship Tycoon, the first episode? Yeah. Well, yeah. Oh yeah, if you're wondering why the white line doesn't go through this place, I'm gonna do it on the next ship. So yeah. But the ship just left Newport. It's going to the placeholder island number 1. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end it off here though. I hope you guys liked this video, or premiere, or whatever it's gonna be though. And then make sure you like this video to see more. And subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to see more. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.